Welcome back to SmartLink Basics, your go-to source for mastering SmartSheet functions and boosting your productivity. SmartSheet is a powerful tool for managing data and offers robust project management features, real-time collaboration, and workflow automation, making it suited for managing tasks and projects across teams. In this tutorial, we will discuss using the index function. The index function is a versatile tool in SmartSheet that lets you retrieve the value of a cell located at the intersection of a specific row and column within a given range. Unlike basic lookups, the index function is particularly useful because it doesn't require your data to be sorted. This makes it incredibly flexible and powerful for managing large datasets. Let's start by setting up our data. Imagine you're tracking sales for different products across various regions. We want to retrieve the sales figure for a specific product and region. Let's say we want to find out the sales for widget C in the East region. First, identify the range of cells that contains the data you're interested in. In our example, this would be the entire table, including the product, region, and sales columns. Now we want to determine the row and column numbers. The index function requires you to specify the row and column numbers within your range. For example, if widget C is in the third row and sales is in the third column of our range, these numbers will be used in the formula. Enter the index formula. In a new cell, enter the formula displayed on the screen. This formula tells SmartSheet to return the value from the sales column in the third row. After entering the formula, SmartSheet will return the value from the specified row and column, in this case, 1700, which represents the sales figure for widget C in the East region. While the index function is powerful on its own, you can take it to the next level by combining it with the match function. This combination allows you to create dynamic lookups where the row or column number is determined by the position of a specific value within a range. If you want to learn how to do this, check out our video on combining index and match in SmartSheet. Let's consider some practical applications for the index function. Project management. Use index to retrieve specific project details, such as status updates or task owners, based on the task's position in your project list. Sales tracking. Quickly find the sales figures for different products or regions, even in large and complex datasets. Data analysis. Extract specific data points from your tables, such as finding the highest or lowest values within a certain category. While the index function is powerful on its own, you can take it to the next level by combining it with the match function. This combination allows you to create dynamic lookups where the row or column number is determined by the position of a specific value within a range. If you want to learn how to do this, check out our video on combining the index and match functions in SmartSheet. And there you have it. The index function in SmartSheet is an incredibly useful tool for retrieving data quickly and efficiently. By mastering this function, you'll be able to streamline your workflows and make your data management tasks much easier. We hope this tutorial helps you master date formulas in Excel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, SmartLink Basics, for more tutorials and tips.